Top 8 free AI tools to transform your workflow. The AI revolution is here. Why pay when you can access the best tools for free? Let's dive into the top 8 AI tools that will supercharge your productivity. First up, CapCut, your go-to for professional video editing on the go. Create stunning videos effortlessly, right from your mobile device. Next, ChatGPT, your personal assistant for writing, coding, brainstorming, and more. Get instant answers and inspiration at your fingertips. Gamma transforms the way you create presentations and websites. With AI-powered design, craft stunning visuals without any coding skills. Meet Perplexity AI, an answer engine that delivers accurate, real-time responses to any question. Say goodbye to endless searching. PlayHT turn text into lifelike speech with PlayHT. Choose from over 200 ultra-realistic AI voices for your projects. Design logos and posters effortlessly with Ideogram. Bring your creative ideas to life using AI-generated visuals. Kling automates video creation, turning your vision into screen-ready content with ease. Finally, Proxy AI, an AI-powered code assistant that streamlines your programming tasks, making development faster and more efficient. Want direct access to all these tools? Click the link in my bio. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more game-changing tools and tips.